Hey everyone, Judicial Watch President Tom Fitton here. We just filed an important lawsuit, a $30 million wrongful death action against the United States government on behalf of Ashli Babbitt's husband and her estate. Ashli Babbitt was killed for no good reason that day, shot and killed by Lieutenant Michael Byrd. Judicial Watch is seeking accountability from the United States government that is responsible for that awful and unjustified shooting death. Remember, the only homicide on January 6th was the unlawful shooting death, as our lawsuit alleges, of poor Ashli Babbitt. She deserves justice. She deserves accountability. And I tell you, Judicial Watch, and I know all of our supporters, are honored to be able to pursue this lawsuit to get justice for Ashli.
And notice the difference between this lawsuit and all the other lawsuits of wrongful death. These people aren't blaming the gun manufacturer. Welcome to another installment of the Connecticut Gun Bench. Today's video is brought to you by P.A.N. Firearms, LLC. P.A.N. Firearms, the NRA certification and multifaceted gun training. You can reach us at 203-300-6343 or use our website at www.panfirearmsllc.com. As always, there'll be a link in the description box below. And if you like channel, like content, and what I do here, you can support me with a link. Everything is appreciated. Once again, PSA for my Connecticut residents. If you plan on getting your Connecticut pistol permit, please get the training done before July of 2024, because after that, it becomes longer, harder, more expensive for no other reason than disincentivize you, the law-abiding public, from going out and getting your permit to then purchase a firearm. If you have your permit, watch the expiration date. Don't let it expire. After July, you're going to have to do the new training requirements, and that's pretty much how it is. But put it in the calendar, do what you got to do. Let's talk about this. And this is very interesting and, quite honestly, very enlightening. Judicial Watch has filed a $13 million lawsuit against the U.S. government for the murder of Ashli Babbitt on behalf of the husband and the estate. And if you remember, Ashli Babbitt was present at January 6th, the event that left likes to call an insurrection, even though no one has been charged with insurrection or convicted of insurrection, but the left calls it an insurrection. It's only an insurrection when the right does it. Let's be clear about that. Let's recap a few things. Let's be clear on the hypocrisy here. When leftists stormed the Hart building, remember during Kavanaugh's confirmation, the left called that, they were proud of it. They came out and supported these people. When Rashida Tlaib basically incited the crowd to go into, once again, the Capitol building in support of the Palestinians, that was just free speech. But everybody who was involved on January 6th is an insurrectionist, despite the fact not one person has been charged with insurrection or convicted of it. But details and facts are just not relevant in today's society. But she was present at the Capitol building on January 6th, and we've all seen the video, at least you should have seen the video. She was shot and killed by one of the Capitol police officers. I'm going to come into here. Judicial Watch files $30 million wrongful death lawsuit against the U.S. government on behalf of Ashli Babbitt's husband and estate. Okay. Judicial Watch announced today has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the U.S. government on behalf of the family of Ashli Babbitt, the U.S. Air Force veteran who was shot and killed inside the Capitol building by then Capitol Police Lieutenant Michael Byrd on January 6, 2021. And ever since he did that act, they literally, the media, the mainstream media, has propped this guy up as some kind of hero. These are the same people that when certain people are unarmed and killed by the police, they vilify the police. These are the same people that defund the police. This guy shoots an unarmed woman in the Capitol building and they call him a hero. It's just amazing. But the lawsuit includes claims against the U.S. government for wrongful death, assault and battery, and various negligence issues. Now, there's a little bit about her, but Ashli Babbitt was a 35-year-old resident of San Diego, California, where she owned and operated a successful pool business with her husband, Aaron. Ashli traveled alone from San Diego to Washington, D.C. to attend the Women for America First, a.k.a. Save America rally on January 6, 2021 at the Ellipse. Now, I don't have to get into the details of the lawsuit. Okay? We've seen the video. We know what happened. But I'm coming to here. quote, "The only homicide on January 6th was the unlawful shooting death of Ashli Babbitt. There was no reason for that police officer to fire that gun at her. None. None. Her homicide by Lieutenant Byrd is scandal beyond belief. This historic lawsuit seeks the measure of justice and government accountability for Ashli's wrongful death," said Judicial Watch. President Tom Fitton, Judicial Watch and our supporters are honored to represent Ashli's steadfast widower, Aaron Babbitt, and her estate in this legal action. Ashli was shot in cold blood, and the rule of law requires justice for her. And then he gets into the details of January 6th, we know that we don't need to dig into that any further. As I said in the beginning, please notice that they're not suing the manufacturer of the firearm. They're suing the person who is responsible within his agency for pulling the trigger. That's the difference. And that's how it should always be. It's not the firearm, it's the person who pulls the trigger. That's who you go after. But no need to point out the facts or the reasonings why we have so many junk lawsuits against gun manufacturers at this point in time. I wish them the best of luck with this. They are correct. She was shot for no provocation. There was no reason whatsoever for this police officer to shoot her. And if you dig a little bit, I'll leave this article in the description box. If you dig a little bit into this guy's history, apparently he was not that good a shot. He apparently did not requalify with his firearm. There's a whole lot of problems with this guy. They prop him up on TV like he's some kind of hero. I wish Judicial Watch the best of luck. And I don't know how this is going to play out, because it's all going to come down to who appointed the judge and what district this is going to be held in, and who the jury pool is going to be chosen from. But let me know what you think. As always, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. And as always, any statements of violence or statements that lead to violence will be removed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified the next time a video goes live. I will see you on the next one. Peace.